Everyone, welcome to this video about the latest additions to IM BuyersClub. There are some software which has been launched quite a while ago, but finally they are in such a shape, at least on the agency and white labels, that it's possible to add them for you to enjoy. First, I would like to start with the rocket videos. And I want to run a video demo of that right now. You have seen it before, of course, but here it is again. I'm logging in with what should be the white label, but I didn't bother to white label it yet, at least. And I'm logged in as a white label user. And what you can see immediately up to the right is that I have assigned 5,000 credits to you, which is the same as in the normal front end. Otherwise, it contains everything that you need to make those videos. And how good those videos will become is totally up to you. As I said in the previous review I had, that this is not easy system to work with. If you use video, it will be a lot of try and error.
Time is of the essence.
The race against time has begun.
I must beat the clock. Europe's wonders are truly inspiring.
The mysteries of Egypt beckon us.
Every encounter enriches our journey.
The colors and flavors here are unforgettable.
I must outpace fate itself.
That was far too close for comfort.
The final leg of our journey begins now. A new adventure awaits beyond the horizon.
This video costed 280 credits. It was only 2 videos of those, and the rest was still images. So this is ready for delivery. You can request it as always in the support system. Hopefully it works better now than what it did before, but it's not fully stable yet, thanks to or because of Google's, let's say, increased security. So what do we have next? Well, we actually have something that I've been waiting for a while, because I couldn't decide if I would charge extra for it or not. We have only 20 licenses for this one. And this is called Magic Designers. And now this is white label in my company, Aroga Limited. We'll go through what it can do. Sorry. And it can do in principle everything, which you have all the different agents or designers in this case. You also have tools. I will make it bigger. And very good tutorials in this one. It's a good developer, reliable, and I think this will be for a long time. You have 50 credits to start with, and you can buy more. So that's about Magic Designers under my Aroga white label. Now we come to what is maybe the most interesting. Came back to colder weather after some time in Bangkok, and immediately I get a slightly cold throat. But now let's continue with what you might be more interested in, the ChannelBuilder AI, which some of you have asked for, which is in reality 2 different software, Magic Flix AI and Faceless Reels. Interesting concept that they are bundling them together in one launch. And if it wouldn't for the problems they had with white label users in Magic Flix, I would say that is superior software than Faceless Reels. But let's have a look. This is our white label. And I'm logging in as user. And the first thing you can see immediately is which level you have, and that is the front end, which is active. You can buy more if you want. I'm not involved in that. You have to do that directly. Then you have to add your APIs. It's very easy to get those APIs, and they are not very expensive, and there's pay as you go. So there are no subscriptions except for OpenAI, where you probably should have your trying to access the training videos and it doesn't work. But in the bottom you have this help support system and there are some training. But also to sign in to the social networks doesn't work. I just have an example of YouTube here, where you get the server error. And it doesn't depend on that I'm on incognito. I've tried different way. And it's the same with all the others. All the other three. Otherwise, everything is there, everything works. And there are a lot of things that you can enjoy and just without posting directly to social networks, but it takes away a little bit of the idea with this software. I haven't worked much with this, but you're welcome to do it. You are getting some credits here, I don't remember, but you will get the same amount of credits as is in the ordinary front end. So that's what I want to say. There are some other news coming up. You probably wonder how it's going with the Ton i2, which is getting a new name. It is getting something really outstanding. You probably have never seen something like that. It's now an ecosystem where you can, or you will be able to create apps just within some few minutes. You have created a new app ready to launch. As before, the whole idea is that it connects to your own APIs. So in principle, you're buying into developed software without paying the development costs. But more about that later. And we also have a new site builder, funnel builder. Even if it's now white label, it's actually Martin Crumlish kick pages. And it's actually one of the best page builders and funnel builders there are. And there are also a lot of AI stuff included in what I can offer to you. But more about that also later. Right now we have to be satisfied with the channel builder with its two software and Magic Designers, which we have only 20 accounts. As I said, was thinking about charging extra, but now I will rather offer it on a first come, first get basis. So when those 20 accounts are finished, they're finished. And the Rocket Videos, as I said, is finally ready. So thank you for watching this and stand by for the next information, which probably will be during this coming week. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.